Hello everyone, I'm doing a mini unboxing video today for Beautonomy. It's a makeup palette website where you can create your own makeup palette, and on opening up the lid it says, "Oh hey, meet your new best palette." And here's a little card with the brand name on it, or receipt, and all the eyeshadow pans and these little cute little cardboard sleeves with a pretty little bow on top, and you just assemble it yourself. And here's the palette itself for my brand Nails, Guts, and Glam. The quality is really nice, I love it. And then when you open it up, there's the empty little pan trays, and then there's a little mirror in there. This is a really nice brand. Thank you so much, Beautonomy.